was watching the morning news. I'm getting ready to go let birds out, and it is 18 degrees outside. It's 34 in the chicken run. The thermometer other end is not in the coop itself, it's in the run. Some of these seeds are really big. Like I just found a really big one. That's going to be some really big, nice garlic. And then I found these yellow seeds. Then there's really small ones, medium-sized ones. They're all different kinds of garlic. And there might be different ages involved too, because I've been doing garlic a long time. And eventually I'll have a store up and there will be garlic seeds for sale. I have decided to sort the garlic for the first time. That way when I do put up the online store, there'll be a mix, and then there'll be some that are just one type of garlic. So this is the biggest soft nut garlic seeds that I have, and they're going to go in a bag. The other ones will go in a bag, and then I'll keep going from there. It's up to 56 in the barnyard, and my birds are outside where the ground is frozen. Can't shoot through the screen, but you can kind of see the white blobs in front of the greenhouse. They're out foraging in the frozen tundra. I gotta wait for that to thaw before I can dig a row for garlic. There's a row of the yellow. So because I don't know what's what, I'll be able to see in July what the yellow actually looks like as garlic. So I put the big seeds behind greenhouse 2 and marked it as purple big. Papa's got them fenced in the back. They're like, but hey mom, I was sick this morning. I woke up sick. I have a cold. I don't think it's the flu because I'm able to get up and do something. My youngest has been getting picked on by everybody, and we're not happy with it. So we fenced him off a spot with the broody hens, and I seen him out. He got out. So I'm going for a thick row. I am planting garlic for 3 families, not just me. I have a guy who comes and buys garlic, and my daughter lives downstairs who uses a lot of garlic. I was sorting through pictures yesterday on my phone, and my location said Ann Arbor in China. So I didn't like that. I kind of looked into it, trying to figure out why it said China. These garlic seeds came from China. They originally came from the farm across the street, the dirt road, and was probably planted there to protect his crops from bugs. And I put a bunch of seeds back over there. I got tired of going over there to pick garlic in the high weeds. Don't have my garden gloves on. So eventually I got seeds from over there and started growing garlic on my property. And I didn't know the seeds came from China. So I know now why the location would come on another country on my phone, which I'm okay with now. Now I know where seeds came from. So he probably bought them in, a huge bulk supply, because he has a lot of fields around here. Found another carrot. Try not to chuck it at the chicken. It's a mixed bag. I'm going for a thick row. Easy breezy. So I mentioned I threw a bunch of these seeds back across the field. I have more seeds and more garlic than I need most of the time. So I am going to start selling them on Etsy later. I don't have my store set up yet. Eventually I'll get to it, and eventually Garden Extras will be selling off extra stuff. I've been using this rake for straw. I've been covering my little carrot seedlings and winter crop self-seeding stuff. So I've been using this rake to spread straw, bedding from the chickens. And the garden rake is in the chicken coop because that's how I clean my floor in there. It's raking. It's my chicken run broom. This is what I like. Not fighting. Scratching around. Staying close to the house. Staying close to their house. This is as far as I really want them to go. I don't want them to go any further. And then eventually I might have to block them off from this area in the spring. There they go. They're going after Chilo again. Which, if she's a girl, probably change Chilo to Chi-Chi. Or something like that. I mean, I had some really good luck with hens this year. Chilo! Chilo! I'm so sorry you have to go through this. It's a bummer, man. I love walking in here. I did mess it up last time I was in here, though. Calendula.